Hey, how's it going? Awesome. Glad that you click on the thumbnail. So let me take you along with me while I service this property, which is a monthly right now. The grass is starting to slow down. Oops, let me go back and get my tunes. You know, I have to have my tunes on, man. I can just mow and listen to this, to the engine, right? Gotta have my tunes. Let me know what kind of music you guys listen to. Ah, beautiful view, huh? Ah, gotta love it. All right, so today we're going to do a monthly service, and this is centipede grass. And as of right now, yes, you know, it's starting to slow down as far as the growth. So we're gonna kind of just hit it and make it look nice and neat. It does have a little bit of leaves on it, so you know, again, the goal is to make it look nice, right? And this is a corner lot, so you know, this is where, you know, and again, I do my best in all my properties, but you know, this is where people turn into the subdivision and they see your work, right? Ah, gotta put my gloves on. I'm so used, you know, by this time I'm used to wearing my gloves. I don't know, a lot of you guys don't wear your gloves, but yeah, I kind of like it. So the first thing I do is I edge, and this is a Husqvarna 325 ILK, and it is a battery. It's sort of like a combi unit where you can take the bottom piece off and, you know, add attachments, and the longevity is pretty good. I can utilize one 325 BLI battery, and it'll go the whole day of edging. And you know, you're talking about 14, 15 properties. And again, it depends on the size of the property. So yeah. Now, as you can tell, I don't have my wheels on, and I don't have my little flap, the rubber flap. And again, don't do this, guys. This is what I prefer. The wheel off. To me, it gives me a crispier look. And the rubber flap kind of just came off, but I will eventually put one on. And guys, let me tell you, when you utilize it like this, be very, very careful, because the last thing you want to do is hit a rock and break something. Okay, so make sure you don't do it. Now, the grip that I have right here is called the Darwin grip, and it minimizes you from bending over, so you keep a straight posture, and it makes it easier and more comfortable when you're edging or string trimming. So, and again, if you check out the description of this video, you'll see a link to it, and I also have a 10% code in there, so you know, if you're interested in it, go ahead and check that out. Well, like I said before, let me ring the bell here, because the back gate was locked, and it usually, you know, the gate is open, so no big deal. Look at that crispy edge. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Now here, guys, I'm doing it wrong, okay? Just to show you guys what not to do. Anytime you face the door or the garage, you always face away, face towards it, okay? Because the wheel is spinning the opposite way, so you want to fling the debris away from the door. You want to minimize damage or dirt being slung against the property. All right. So, and again, I did it just to show you what not to do. I know you guys going, yeah, right. You just got it messed up and it was on video. Hey guys, let me tell you, I film what I do. Okay. And I know a lot of you guys, that's why sometimes we're so self-conscious when we film. And believe me, because we get the comments, man. We get the comments. But that's okay. That's okay. I am extremely comfortable at what I do and how I do it. All right? So remember, guys, every one of us do things completely different. The only reason I'm using a blade edger today is because of personal preference. Sometimes, you know, I'll take the string trimmer and hit it with the line trimmer. It's no big deal. This time, I'm just hit it with the blade. So there's no quicker, faster, to me and personally, if you're brand new into the business, using a stick edger is better. All right, so let's grab the Steel BR600, and I love the Steel BR600, guys. Yeah, even though I have the most powerful, this one, you can, I'll never get rid of a BR600. It is so versatile, and yeah, so I'm gonna use it today. And basically, what I'm gonna do with this is just kind of blow the leaves and the debris back into the yard, right? Because again, the goal is to mulch it. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. Now, don't you hate when you're blowing and the wind is definitely against what you're doing? So here, what I decided to do is just kind of let it blow wherever it wanted to, which was in the street. So what I did is kind of just, went ahead and let it go, and went into the street and just kind of blew it over into the other side. But do not leave your debris on the street, guys. Never, never, or blow your debris or grass clippings into the street. Don't ever do that, okay? That's extremely, extremely unprofessional. And safety concerns also, you can have a motorcyclist, especially with grass, slide or get injured because of, your laziness. Don't blow anything into the street. All right, so we are using the Exmark Laser Z. Is a 48-inch zero-turn mower, and I have the mulching kit installed. So my goal now is just kind of go around the perimeter, and as you can tell, I don't know if you can tell right here, but I have half the wheel on the cement and half on the actual grass, and that makes it your cut a lot crispier when it comes to the edges. Okay, so there's a hint for it. All right, so right now I'm mowing this turf at 2.25 inches, and I'll keep my winter cuts at 2.25 or 2 inches, depending on the property and the level of the terrain. Make sure they don't have any holes and dips and stuff like that. So this is mainly what I'm going to do, and keep it nice and crispy. Now I don't use the X blades, and I know it's a thing right now, and as you can tell, there's no need for it. I'm not a fan. Just again, my personal preference, no big deal. X blade is that attachment that you put on your blades, and you have 2 blades on 1 spindle. Again, not a fan, just my thing. Again, this is what we do and how we do it. But if you're doing it, that's fine. That's why I want to kind of show you guys what I do. And as you can tell, it looks pretty good. There's no issues, no complaints. I'm just, enjoying the mow. You guys enjoy mowing, man. I definitely enjoy cutting grass. It is a soothing feeling. Just go out there and take something that is so looking scrabbly and unkempt, and by the time you leave, it looks so nice and neat. I definitely enjoy it, and especially this time of the year. Currently it's in between 67 and 70 degrees, and yeah, this is cool for us, and extremely comfortable. Now, as you can tell, guys, always ensure especially when you are working around leaves and debris and a lot of dust. Wear something around your face, you know. Don't breathe that crap into your lungs, man. You know, take the time and put something over your mouth, cover your nose, to minimize coughing up all that crazy stuff. You know, I remember when I used to use this stuff, man. I'm telling you, I come home and I'll be just coughing, all kind of debris and stuff. Right? So yeah, right now I'm just kind of enjoying the mow. Again at 2.25 inches. And taking my sweet time. This is what it's all about, guys. This is what it's all about. And yeah, sometimes, you know, I kind of move a little bit faster with a sense of urgency, but you know, why? You know, just kind of relaxing. My tunes are blasting too, but you know, they're not blasting to the point where I can't hear. You know, if I hit something, or you know, the sounds. Alright, so it's all finished now, and I'm going to park my mower. Check this out, I got my face covering, and bam, it's gone. Pretty cool, huh? I'm telling you, man, that's that editing. When you edit that video, it's like magic. Alright, so I did not film the blowing, the last part of the blowing, or the string trimming. And at this time of the year, you know, the string trimming is extremely minimized to the bare minimum. Because like I said before, is the goal is just to ensure that the property looks nice, ensure that the property is, you know, it shows well. And remember, guys, you know, if your rig, your stuff is parked in front of that property, you know, the neighbors are watching and they know that you service that property, and they will judge you by your end result. Also, yes, let me show you, man. Got up this morning and I had a flat on the trailer. Yep, I kind of knew. Don't you hate when that happens? Yeah, but it happens to the best of us, right? All right, guys. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video and spend this, you know, few minutes with me. Have a blessed one. Pop smoke. Peace.